Okay, so I wanted to show people really just how easy it is to create incredible things by using Claude. So just to kind of set you up here, right now I'm in VS Code. What VS Code is, it is where kind of people who know how to code at an extra level, they're writing out all of this code in VS Code. With Claude, we now have the ability to use Claude code in this area. So instead of actually going on the Claude code site, we're doing it from here just because Claude now has access to write all the code for me. In the Explorer, so I opened this file. I went into my AI workspace, into plans, then I went into active plans and went there. Okay, so this is now just the design spec of this plan, which is the NHL sponsor tracker design. Again, these are instructions that I made while talking with Claude in another session, just planning out everything that I want the app to be. What it is, what are the features, the tech stack, flow, etc., etc. And then I had it write me out a prompt. I'm gonna copy paste here. And again, very complex stuff. People call this vibe coding, but again, this is just really kind of how the process of designing something, iterating back and forth, saying, okay, like now I want to do it. And then from here, it's not just, okay, go make something. Really read the design spec. Here's the project that you should scaffold, API key, things you need to, explore, a front end and a back end agent. Like it's really just a lot of different things. Okay, now it downloaded all the packages. Look, it's dispatching parallel agents. These are just two hyper-contextualized Claude files, essentially, that they've been told you need to do all of this for the back-end one, now all of the front-end ones. It's being dispatched simultaneously, so this Claude session, it's not even the one building it. It's more of like an orchestrator of a symphony saying, you're the back-end agent, you're the front-end agent, here are all the things you need to do. It's saying now backend file's done, waiting for the front end to finish. We're seeing that they hit permission walls, which, okay, now the agent needs to do it itself. These are things that just happen when you're kind of doing the vibe coding process. Okay, now it's done. So it's telling me to open up this link, search Rangers, I'm a Rangers fan, and then add, and then see the kind of card scream in. So boom, Rangers. Okay, so in about 2 minutes, it looked at 34 articles. It has 10 mentions specifically kind of these brands within the articles. Apparently, Mucinex is a brand that's also a sponsor of Arrival. I can download a report, which I did have here. So yeah, I mean, this was really just with not that long of planning. If I wanted to make this more custom, ask about certain features, I could totally do that. But yeah, I mean, like with AI, you can really do anything. If you like this video, please check out my website, griffguidesai.com. I will post this and every other tool I work with in my personal projects and my automations. Happy to share any info with anyone that listens. So yeah, thank you.